Hey everyone, it's Dan with Good Earth Water Gardens. Autumn is here and leaves are starting to fall. If you have a water feature, that can mean extra maintenance. Fortunately, you can alleviate some of this maintenance with a simple pond netting setup. Follow me along and let's get started. First, let's review a list of materials you'll need for this setup. We have an appropriately sized pond net, some 3/4 inch PVC pipe, some PVC connectors for those longer runs. We have some zip ties which will secure the net to the structure, some landscape staples or pins, and you can either use rebar or these long 12-inch metal spikes. Black spray paint can be applied to the PVC pipe, which helps the frame blend with the surrounding environment. The first step when installing the net frame is to select an area for the metal stakes. Make sure you are installing on the outside of the pond liner to avoid any punctures. Then choose an adjacent area across the water feature to install another stake. Next, take one end of the PVC pipe and slide over the stake. The pipe will naturally bow as you secure the other end onto the adjacent stake, which will create the dome effect for the structure. In many cases, it's ideal to crisscross your PVC frame for added strength. After your frame is complete, secure cross sections together with zip ties. Then, clean up the excess tabs off the zip ties with a utility knife or scissors. Before installing the netting, now is a good time to remove any annual plants and to perform maintenance to your water feature, such as removing debris and cleaning any filtration components. Next, let's unravel the net and start draping it over various areas of the frame. Secure the net to the ground with pins or landscape staples. Make sure all the edges of the net are well tucked so no debris gets into the feature. For areas that may still require maintenance access, such as a skimmer box, tuck the net underneath the lid and reinsert on top of the netting. Finally, secure the netting to various areas of the frame with zip ties, remove the tabs, and voila! We have an effective pond netting setup that will keep the leaves out and greatly reduce maintenance for the fall. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you'd like to see more of our content, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.